Pleasant morning to my dear lovable students. Welcome to Max class. In this conversation, we are going to discuss about new chapter in second volume. Okay, chapter number 10. What is the name of chapter number 10? Differential calculus. One of the important chapter. Okay, why am I saying it's one of the important? It's very useful for your plus 2. Okay, in plus 2 also the second volume one unit is there. The name also application of ordinary differential equation. Okay, if you have full confidence the differential calculus this chapter, so it's very useful for you. It depends upon full and full question also the plus 2. Okay, the same concept. Okay, so first I am moving to the definition. So what is the name of the chapter number 10? Differential calculus. The symbol we can say the rate which the value of y of the function. What is the value of? So y, the value of the function changes with respect to change the values of variable x. Okay, so simply we can say, so the condition also we have one function of the value f of x is equal to x square plus 3 is there. Okay, then how to apply the differentiation of the term, that is a differential calculus. F dash of x is equal to change of some value in y term. That's why I told you the starting definition, the rate which the value of y. So the value of y means consider for y2 minus y1 divided by, again what did I say, the rate which the value of y of the function changes with respect to the changes the variable x. So x means we can consider x2 minus x1. So simply we can say changes of the y value divided by changes of x value. Therefore we can write it del y divided by del x. Okay, so for example the one person going to the travel, so from Chennai to Tirunelveli. Okay, so Tirunelveli means by train. Okay, train means definitely how to find out the average velocity. So first you can write it, the average velocity means average velocity is equal to, so total distance travel. So total distance travel means approximately definitely, so Chennai to Tirunelveli maximum we can say the 200 to 250 kilometers divided by time taken. Time taken means journey. Journey means the person, the particular person starting the journey tonight. So 10:10 means definitely he will reach the Tirunelveli tomorrow 6:10 p.m. means approximately 10 hours he has taken, isn't it? So this is of the part. Okay, not in 10 hours. So 10:10 means 6:10. 6:10 means definitely approximately 8 hours he has taken. That is the code. Okay, what is the meaning of average velocity? Total distance traveled divided by time taken. Okay, so very simple. If you have the full some formula also is there. If you have confident the formula as well as some basic term also, it's very useful for you. Okay, so here the concept of the derivative also 4 type is there. How many type is there? Concept of derivative. So concept of derivative 4 type. Type number 1, the tangent line problem. What is the name? The tangent line problem. Then number 2, maximum and minimum problem. Maximum and minimum problem. Maximum and minimum problem. Then area problem. Okay, the area depends upon the area problem. Then another one, average velocity and acceleration problem. Okay, velocity and acceleration problem. So one by one we can discuss. Okay, be stay on the line. Okay, example problem we will discuss starting. Moving to example 10.1 question, find the slope of the tangent line to the graph of the condition. What the condition is there? Solution f of x is equal to 7x plus 5. So at any point, the point also given x naught comma f of x naught. So some important step is there. If you know the step, it's very easy to apply this problem. The step number 1 we can apply. To apply for, consider for the first term f of x naught. Example, there is f of x means to convert for x naught means definitely the question also it will change 7 x naught plus 5. Then step number 2, f of x naught, just add it some value. So add it some value means x naught as it is. Then second condition you have to apply the change of the value, okay, the del x. Now third one, the change of y means del y is equal to, how to apply difference between f of x naught plus del x minus x naught of f. So x naught plus del x minus of f of x naught. Then condition number 4, after getting del y value we can apply change of y divided by change of x. Then last step we can apply the slope, because condition also what we have to find out, slope of the tangent. So m tangent is equal to del y divided by del x, where the limit of the term also consider for del x tends to 0. Okay. So listen one by one. First what we have to apply, the first step, f of x naught. Therefore f of x naught is equal to 7 x naught plus 5. Next condition, f of x naught plus some changes of the x value. So f of x naught plus del x. This is whole term consider for x, means f of x is equal to what the term is there, 7x. So instead of x we can apply x naught plus del x. So what will happen, 7 of x naught plus del x, then plus remaining constant. If you remove the bracket means 7 x naught plus 7 del x plus 5. After getting x naught plus del x, next what we have to apply, difference between of the value, that is called change of y. So del y is equal to f of x naught plus, so f of x naught plus what the value is there, so 7 x naught plus 7 del x plus 5, then minus f of x naught. F of x naught already we know, but center minus sign, therefore plus into minus, minus 7 x naught, again plus into minus, minus 5. So plus 5 minus 5 cancel, positive 7 x naught, negative 7 x naught cancel, remaining only 7 del x. Therefore del y is equal to 7 del x. After getting the y value, just we have to apply del y divided by del x. So fourth condition, del y divided by del x is equal to 7 del x divided by del x. So del x cancel means that is value for 7. The final one, slope of the tangent. Therefore the formula we can apply, m tangent is equal to del y divided by del x, where the limit consider for del x tends to 0. But there is only constant term. If you have any value, del x means we can apply value. So 0, there is no value. Therefore directly we can write the slope of the tangent is equal to value will be 7. Okay. Okay. Then I will continue the next example. Okay. Be stay on the line. Moving to example 10.2 question. Find the slope of the tangent line to the graph f of x is equal to, there is minus, okay, minus 5x square plus 7x. The point also is given clearly. The last 10.1 given the normal basic term f of x naught comma del x, but here condition is there 5 comma f of 5. Okay. So step also little bit different comparing the example 10.1. Listen, first what we have to apply to find out f of 5, because the coordinate point 5 is there. Next one, just add it some value f 5 plus del x. Then what we have to do, differentiation of the value, differentiation between f of 2 f of 5, that is called del y, isn't it? So del y is equal to f of 5 plus del x minus f of 5. Next condition what you have to do, del y divided by del x. Next, the last step, to find out the slope of the tangent, that is called m tangent is equal to del y divided by del x, where the limit also consider for, where the limit is considered for del x tends to 0. Okay, one by one we can apply. First what we have to apply, f of 5. So f of 5 means, first you can write it, f of x is equal to, the value will be, f of x is equal to solution, f of x is equal to minus 5x square plus 7x. Therefore, first we can apply f of 5. What will happen? Minus 5 into 5 the whole square plus 7 into 5. Again minus 5. 5 square means 25. 7 5s are 35. Again 25 into 5, 125. So we can write it minus 125 plus 35. That is called minus 90. So next, this is called f of 5. Second step, so add some value in del x. So 5 plus del x. F of 5 plus del x. What will happen? This is whole term consider for x. Okay, now minus 5 into inside we can write it 5 plus del x the whole square plus 7 into again 5 plus del x. So now apply now minus 5 as it is, a plus b the whole square form. A square plus 2ab plus b square. First 5 square means value will be 25 plus 2ab means definitely 2 5s are 10. So we can write it 10 del x then plus 2ab. So 2ab means the 2ab is over, then next one b square. So b square means only del x. So we can write it del x the whole square, the whole bracket. Next one 7 into 5, 35. 7 into del x means 7 into del x. Again remove the bracket. 25 into 5 minus 125. Again plus into minus minus. 10 into 5, 50 del x. Next condition minus 5 del x square, isn't it? So minus 5 del x the whole square. Last one 35 plus 7 del x. Now minus 125 plus 35. We can write now minus 90. Remaining, so minus 50 del x minus plus 7 del x. So we can write now minus 43 del x. Last one, so minus 5 del x square is there, isn't it? So minus 5 del x square. After getting, this is called the third step, isn't it? So del y of the term. So next what we have to do, del y divided by del x. So del y divided by del x, what will happen? So del y divided by del x. Del y is equal to, we have some value. Not dear, actually before del y by del x, actually the condition also, okay, del y by del x, what will happen? Minus 90. Then, so minus 90 already is clear, isn't it? Sorry dear, del y, yeah, difference of the term it will come, no? Minus 90 also, because this is called only f of value of x plus 5, then differentiation of the term, that is called del y, isn't it? This is not del y, this is actually f of 5 plus del x. Now I am moving to del y. So del y means the differentiation of f of the term minus f of 5. So f of 5 plus del x minus f of 5. Now 5 plus of the term, what the answer is there? Minus 90 minus 43 del x, then minus 5 del x the whole square. Next one minus term is there. So minus means what will happen? Already f of 5 is equal to value we have minus 90. Therefore minus into 90 plus minus 90 plus 90 cancel. Now we can say this is called del y. Del y is equal to minus 43 del x minus 5 del x the whole square. Again del x take common outside means what will happen? So minus 43 minus 5 del x. Okay. Now I am moving to del y by del x. So del y by del x is equal to, already del y we found, what the answer? Del x into minus 43 minus 5 del x. The whole term divided by del x. Again del x cancel. Therefore del y by del x is equal to minus 43 minus 5 del x. Last condition tangent, isn't it? Therefore m tangent is equal to del y by del x, limit del x tends to 0. So what the answer will come? Instead of del x we can apply, value will be 0. So del y by del x limit del x tends to 0 is equal to we have the answer minus 43, then minus 5 into 0. What will happen? Minus 43 answer for slope of the tangent at the point 5 comma f of 5. Okay, so please listen, my dear students. I hope you understand. If you have any doubt, you can put in comment box. Okay, I am ready to clarify your doubts. Okay, I will continue the next problem. Please stay on the line. Example 10.3, show that the greatest integer function f of x is equal to the greatest symbol is there is not differentiable at any integer. First I am moving to explanation of what is the meaning of integer. Example, f of x is there, the symbol of the term, it's the way of symbol. Okay, this is actually the limits of continuation of the chapter. Okay, so this is called the greatest symbol or greatest integer function. Now f of x is equal to some x is there means the value also consider for f of 3.1 means we can write it if it consider for 3.1 means, so decimal point ignore it, so whole number value only will come, that is called 3. In case f of 3.25 is there, what is the value? 3.25. If you apply the greatest integer symbol 3.25 means the value also will be 3. Next condition through 3.999 something also to apply the greatest integer value, what will happen? Only 3 only will come. Okay, the decimal points will be ignored. But if you starting with f of 4 means definitely we can say the value will be 4. Then something again 4.25 also to apply the greatest integer function. So 4.25 also the value will be 4 only will come. So I am moving to the question solution. So if you make it one graph, x and y graph also, the difference of the term 0, 1, 2, 3 is there. So in between 0 to 1 also you can apply the starting with the 0 only. Next one 1 to 2 the value also starting with 1 only. Again distance between 2 to 3 also starting with the 2 only. So some difference is there, it's not continuous, isn't it? Here also some difference, here also some difference is there. That's why we will explain. So first you can consider for n is taken integer. Okay, n is considered for integer. I will explain with one of the left hand limit and right hand limit also. Listen, f of x limit x tends to n minus means the left hand limit. So what will happen? To apply greatest integer x of the term, there is n is there, no? This is actually left hand limit means the minus 1 will come. This is value will be n minus 1. So n minus 1, if it example n is equal to value 3.25 means, so 3.25 minus 3. This is called actually 3.25 minus something. So 3.25 minus something also what the answer will come? Only 3, no. So n minus 1. The same value f of x consider for limit x tends to right hand limit. Plus means right hand limit, minus means left hand limit. Again you can apply means, so look at there, n instead of n plus is there. So 4 plus something, so 4 plus something also the 4 only will come, isn't it? So 4 plus something also what the answer will come? 4. So here definitely some value will be differences there. So the 4 plus is there. So 4 plus 4.25 also what the answer is? Only 4 only is there. So n minus means only total term will be different. There is 3 will come. There is definitely will be 4 will come. That's why definitely we can say this is minus means already I told you left hand limit. Therefore it's not equal to right hand limit. If it not equal means we can say it is not continuous at any integer. Therefore it is not differentiable. It is not continuous at any integer means we can say it is not differentiable. Okay, I will continue the exercise problem. Moving to exercise 10.1, question number 1. 3 subdivision is there. Okay. Question, find the derivative of the following function. First principle. Okay. So first principle means the formula f dash of x is equal to, we can write it f of x plus del x minus f of x divided by del x, where the limit considered for del x tends to 0. Instead of del x, we can write it simply one letter, that is h. The same concept, f dash of x is equal to f of x plus h minus of f of x divided by h, where the limit considered for h tends to 0. The limit h tends to 0. I am moving to taking the h of the term. It's very easy, comparing the del x. Moving to subdivision 1, look at there, question, f of x is equal to 6 only. Therefore, directly we can apply, f dash of x is equal to what will happen? F of x plus h minus of f of x divided by h. The limit considered for h tends to 0. There is no x of the value. Given question, there is no x. Directly we can write instead of h 0 only. Therefore, f of x is equal to 0 only. Sorry, f of x is equal to 6. H value there is no. Therefore, 6 minus 6 divided by h, limit h tends to 0. So, 0 divided by h means limit of the value also h tends to 0. The first term, first subdivision 1, answer will be 0. So, subdivision true. What is the term? Subdivision true. So, subdivision true, f of x is equal to minus 4x plus 7. What will happen? First one, too easy, apply for f of x plus h. F of x plus h means minus 4 into x plus h plus 7. Minus 4 into x, minus 4x. Minus 4 into h, minus 4x. Minus 4h plus 7. Next one, after getting f of x plus h, then apply the main formula, f dash of x. That is called first principle, okay. So, f dash of x is equal to f of x plus h minus of f of x divided by h, where limit h tends to 0. Already we found f of x plus h is equal to minus 4x minus 4h plus 7 minus of f of x. Minus of f of x means minus into minus positive 4x. So, plus into minus minus 7. Whole term divided by h, where the limit consideration of h tends to 0. So, plus 7 minus 4x plus 4x. After cancellation, the balance of the term f dash of x is equal to minus 4h divided by h, where the limit consideration of h tends to 0. Directly cancel, no? So, h and h cancel, answer will be minus 4. So, h tends to 0. Therefore, we can write answer will be minus 4 because there is no h of the term. Okay, I am moving to subdivision third. Question, f of x is equal to minus x square plus 2. First we can find out f of x plus h. So, minus of x plus h the whole square plus 2. Minus common, a plus b the whole square. X square plus h square plus 2xh. Outside constant 2 is there. If you remove the bracket, minus x square minus h square minus 2xh plus 2. Now we can apply the main term, f dash of x. F dash of x is equal to f of x plus h minus of f of x divided by h, where the limit consideration of h tends to 0. F of x plus h, what the answer? Minus x square minus h square minus 2xh, then plus 2. Remaining, a minus of f of x. F of x minus into minus plus x square, again plus into minus minus 2. What are the cancel? Plus 2 minus 2, again minus x square plus x square. Whole term divided by h, where the limit consideration of h tends to 0. Now, after the cancellation, balance minus h square minus 2xh divided by h, where the limit h tends to 0. Numerator, h take common outside means inside, minus h minus 2x, the whole term divided by h. Again h cancel, the limit actually h tends to 0. So remaining balance minus h minus 2x, the limit h tends to 0. Instead of h apply for 0 means definitely the first principle of value, that is f dash of x is equal to only minus 2x. That is your answer for subdivision third. Okay, I will continue the next question.